It has been a little over 2 months since I started investing in Bitcoin. And in today's video, I'm going to be walking you through how my investment has been performing. Guys, if you've watched any of my previous investment update videos, then you know that this is the fourth investment that I have added to a portfolio that I started building out right here on this channel back in January of 2024. I wanted to show you guys how simple it was to get started with investing and how easy it was to actually start building wealth. And when I started back in January, I had no plans of continuing to add additional investments to this portfolio. I really just wanted to invest $5 a day into Vanguard's VOO, which tracks the S&P 500, just to see how those small investments would grow over time. And as time went by, I changed my mindset. I went from just wanting to see how those small investments would grow over time, and I wanted to change that into building out a small portfolio right in front of you guys so you can see how I'm building this out, and maybe it'll give you some motivation to actually start investing in your own portfolios. Now, before I jump in and show you how my investment in Bitcoin has been performing, I just wanted to go over a few of the things that I'm actually following for this particular investment. Now, if you've been watching any of my previous updates, then you know that I use Webull as my brokerage of choice to build out on this channel. But I switched it up a little bit when it came to crypto, and I opened up a Robinhood account so I can invest in Bitcoin in that account. Now, I haven't used Robinhood in the past. This is the first time that I've had an account with them. I'm still trying to figure out the platform and the app because I've been so used to Webull and Fidelity and Schwab, because those are the brokerages that I've been using for quite some time. Instead of investing every single trading day like I do in Webull for the index funds that I invest in, I'm investing every single Friday in Bitcoin. Now, the reason that I'm doing that is because I like to set up my investment accounts to auto invest on a particular cadence. When I go into Robinhood, it does not allow me to select invest $10 every single trading day. It gives you the option to do it every single day or every single week. And I only wanted to invest Monday through Friday, so $50 a week or $200 a month into Bitcoin. So that's how I have it set up. So it's not purchasing daily, it's purchasing every week, every Friday. Now, if I'm doing something wrong, please point that out in the comments, because I'd love to be able to switch to every single day. But right now it's going to be weekly, and who knows, after a while I might just stick with that, let it ride on the weekly basis, and then I can compare and contrast against the daily investing that I'm doing in Webull. Now guys, the reason that I selected Bitcoin is I wanted to have a little bit of a different kind of exposure in my portfolios that I'm building out. So I'm investing in Vanguard's VOO. I'm also investing in Charles Schwab's SCHD, and I'm also investing in Vanguard's VGTs. So I was looking to have some additional exposure in my portfolio, and I wanted to jump on that crypto train. Bitcoin has been hitting all-time highs. It seems like every day you turn on the TV, you see that Bitcoin has hit a new high, and there are some people that believe that Bitcoin will eventually reach $200,000 per coin. Now, I am admittedly not a crypto bro, so I can't sit there and have a very deep conversation with someone and talk about the ins and outs of crypto, which is why I picked Bitcoin. I wanted to go with Bitcoin because of brand and name recognition, and it's been continuing to crush all-time highs, and I wanted to ride that wave. If you guys are investing in crypto, leave a comment down below. Let me know, what are you using to invest? Are you using Robinhood? Are you using Webull? Are you using something like Coinbase? Or are you buying it directly in a wallet that you store offline? I'd really like to get your feedback on how you're actually buying crypto, and more importantly, where are you storing it? All right, let's go ahead and take a look at my investment. So right now I'm taking a look at the Bitcoin chart. Now, this is a screenshot because one thing that I have noticed is that there are no after-hour trading with Bitcoin. It's continuous 24/7. So by the time that you watch this video, the amount that you see on the screen is most likely going to change. But right now it's trading at $114,610 per coin, and that has been fluctuating. And that is the daily chart that you're taking a look at right here on the Robinhood app. All right, so now we're taking a look at my position in Bitcoin. And as you can see, my quantity here is 0.00471,553. That's a lot of numbers there, right? And it's going to take me an extremely long time to get one full coin. but I'm just investing every single week and I'm just going to let it build up because it's doing it automatically and I don't have to do anything. I just set it and forget it and let it keep growing. Now, one thing I will say, right? It is going to take an extremely long time for me to actually start seeing some actual growth in this actual position, but I'm okay with that because one thing that I always say is that building wealth is often a slow process, especially in the beginning. And that's really what I want to show right here. It's going to be a slow process, but I'm in it for the long haul and I'm going to continue to invest and make these update videos for you guys. Now we're going to take a look right to the right of that, and the overall value that I have in there is $540.45. I have an average cost that I was able to purchase my Bitcoin at was $115,494.97. And as you can see, my entire portfolio is 100% in Bitcoin. It's the only crypto that I'm investing in right now. And who knows, I might actually add an additional crypto at some point, but right now it's just been about 2 months of investing in Bitcoin and I like what I see right now. My daily return, I'm down $1.74 or 0.32%. And then my total return, I'm down $4.17 or 0.77%. All right, so now right here on this screen that we're taking a look at, we're looking at the 52-week high of Bitcoin, $126,160. That's crazy. So we are around $12,000 right now off the 52-week high of Bitcoin. So we're able to purchase when it's actually pulling back. Some people believe that we may see some more pullback in Bitcoin, and I'm actually hoping that that's the case because I like buying on red days, especially in the stock market. When the market is red, that's when I go out and I actually add to my position because then I can get it at a discounted rate. And then if you take a look at the 24-hour volume, because crypto is 24/7 trading, $39.33 billion. It's a lot of money in this space that's actually being traded. Now, if we take a look at the 52-week low, we're at $62,033.94. That's crazy. So if you invested $62,000 when this was at its 52-week low, you would have more than doubled your overall investment over the past 52 weeks. Just think about that for a moment. That's how volatile the market has been, especially in the crypto space. And then if you take a look at the overall market cap, 2.29 trillion. Insane. These are big dollars, big numbers here that we're working with. And as I continue to invest in crypto, I'm going to continue to learn. That's something that I have on my goals in my to-do list, is to learn more about crypto so I can understand like where are some of the other value plays in the crypto space? What are some of the other coins that I could be taking a look at that I can maybe get in and do a potential swing trade? I just really want to just understand this space much more. So investing in this particular cryptocurrency within Robinhood will motivate me to learn more about the crypto space. All right, now we'll take a look at the circulating supply, 19,932,790 Bitcoin in circulation. Guys, on this screen right here, this is just my reoccurring buys over the last 30 days. So you can see that it's set up every single week. I'm purchasing $50 every single Friday. And one of the things that I did learn, right, and I kind of understood this before, but I really wasn't thinking about it as I set up my reoccurring purchase and was thinking about how much that I was going to be investing every single week into Bitcoin. I didn't take into account the fees that are associated with every single purchase. So instead of investing $50, it's a little bit less because there is a fee associated with purchasing crypto. I believe they call it gas fees. Keep me honest in the comment section on that. All right, guys, that's my overall investment in Bitcoin in just over 2 months' time. Now, from my perspective, I like where it's headed. We are seeing a pullback in the cryptocurrency space, and I am able to average in a little bit lower, even though we are around $114,000, which seems absolutely crazy to me when I think about buying at 114,000 plus is buying at a discount. But hey, I'm just going to continue to allow my account to do its thing and help me build wealth over a long period of time. I've received some comments and questions on some of my other videos where people were asking if I could start another small investment challenge. So right now I'm targeting either December 1st or January 1st of 2026 to start a new small investment challenge where I invest $5 every single day into the market. It's likely not going to be a crypto that I'm going to be investing in. Right now, I'm taking a look at additional index funds that I could add to my portfolio, and I'll be doing that on Webull. I won't be doing that on Robinhood. It'll be on Webull. Now, if you've got some suggestions on some index funds that I should be researching and potentially adding to my portfolio, let me know. Leave a comment down below. And as always, guys, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next video.